What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So we got the truck back in the shop today. I had to start getting work on the engine bay. Orangeburg drag strip, they just put out the race dates. I'm gonna put that here up on the screen, and pretty much gave me a deadline for the first bracket race series race is gonna be March 2nd. So that means I gotta get to work on this thing, get it cleaned up, get the motor in it, get it running. At least it might be a stock engine in there, but it's gotta be ready to race by the 2nd. So I have something to run. So today we got it in here. I already got the frame pressure washed and everything. I put the tarp down underneath so I don't get no overspray on my floor. But we're gonna go ahead and try and get this thing painted up. So again guys, somebody will probably flame me in the comments. I'm not wire wheeling and everything this thing back down to bare frame. It is not a frame off restoration. I'm just trying to make it look pretty decent and get it going down the track. So I got this just Rust-Oleum paint or whatever to put on the frame rails. That's what we're gonna go with. And then also I have my beer, which is my clear. So I think we're pretty much ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taping off some of the stuff I don't want to get overspray on, like the rack there, my Viking coilovers. We're gonna go ahead and get those taped off and get ready to start spraying. Also guys, I'm thinking about setting up a merch store. So like sweatshirts, t-shirts and stuff like that. I got a guy that's working on redoing 2 more logos. Instead of the red Challenger underneath the frog, I'm gonna have him do a version with the truck and a version with the rat rod. So if y'all are interested in any of that, let me know what kind of things you would like to see on the merch store, like tumblers and the little lanyards for your keys and stuff like that. Let me know what kind of stuff y'all would like to see. So let's get on into this. All right, so we got the first coat on. I'm probably gonna just go back and touch up some spots I missed. For now, I'm sit back, drink some beer and watch paint dry, I guess. That's pretty much gonna be the fun part, is the beer. But also, I need to give my hand a break because this a little more sore than when I first figured out what puty was. So I need to give my hands a break too. And we're gonna let it dry and come back and see what it looks like. Well, quick update. I kind of messed the floor up. So now I'm gonna be going around and trying to clean up the overspray because the tarp apparently was not big enough, because now I got me a nice little square of clean floor where the tarp was. So I'm gonna get to work on that. All right, so we got it all done with the paint. So this is pretty much what the finished result looks like. Like I said, not really going for a frame off restoration look, but It'll work for what I'm doing just to get it ready for the race in March. So looks good enough for government work to me. All right, guys. That's pretty much gonna wrap up this video. Is just a quick short update basically on getting started on the truck. I appreciate you guys as always. Like, subscribe, and I will catch y'all in the next video.